Ladies and gentlemen, have you heard about the Rodin FZERO? No? Well, let me enlighten you on this beast of a car that's making waves down in New Zealand. The Rodin FZERO, a track hypercar that's not just a car, it's an experience now. I know what you're thinking. FZERO sounds like it's electric, right? Wrong. This bad boy is powered by a 4.0-liter V10 engine, because why go green when you can go mean? So, picture this, the serene South Island of New Zealand, birds chirping, and then boom. The FZERO roars to life, shattering the peace like a bull in a china shop. It's like taking your grandma's antique vase and revving it up to 223.7 miles per hour. That's 360 kilometers per hour for those who think in kilometers, or as I like to call it, ludicrous speed. Now, the man behind this madness is David Dicker, a tech billionaire and, apparently, a speed enthusiast. He's the brains behind the V10 engine that propels the FZERO. I mean, who needs a quiet electric car when you can wake up the entire neighborhood with the symphony of a roaring V10? Am I right? But let's talk about the track debut. Dicker himself took the wheel for the first spin, and he claimed it really is a car like no other. Well, I should hope so, David. I mean, it's not every day you see a single-seat hypercar tearing up the asphalt like it owes it money. Now, the FZERO is gearing up to take on other track-only hypercars from big names like Aston Martin, Gordon Murray, and Mercedes-AMG. It's like the Olympics of hypercars, except instead of medals, they're competing for who can burn the most rubber. And here's the kicker, only 27 lucky folks will get their hands on this piece of automotive insanity. I can already hear the billionaires fighting over who gets the last one. I'll trade you 3 yachts and a private island for that FZERO. Catch this automotive marvel at the Performance Racing Industry Show in Indianapolis from December 7 to 9, 2023. Trust me, you don't want to miss the chance to witness outrageous levels of performance and dynamism. It's like a rock concert on wheels. And before I go, folks, if you want your daily dose of cool ideas and cool cars, don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel, because life is too short to drive boring cars, and your sense of humor should be as fast as the Rodin FZERO. See you on the fast lane. And remember, laughter is the best turbo boost. Subscribe now.